Hi and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing another review. It's Duncan Hines Perfect Size for One. I guess they have this Oreo cake mix that you put in the microwave. It's supposed to be a cookies and cream cake mix with Oreo cookie pieces, which, as you can see, there's the Oreos on top. And I cooked this for about a minute in the microwave. So I cooked it about a minute in the microwave and show you what it kind of looks like underneath the Oreo sprinkles, if I can. Well, it just looks like regular vanilla cake. But let's see how it tastes, shall we? Ooh. Yeah, it looks like regular, kind of like a, I don't know, coffee cake maybe. But let's see how it tastes. Mmm. Oh my goodness, that tastes so good. It tastes like cake, of course. But I kind of thought it would taste like the brownie in the cup that you can make that I've tried on this channel before. But this is really good. Cookies and cream. It's really good. I can actually taste the cookies and cream in the cake mix. And then the Oreos on top of it. Ah, tastes so good. I'd get this again. And since the cake is still warm, the Oreos that I sprinkled on top that came with it, the cream in them is melting, and that is delicious when it's melted. Or maybe those are chocolate chips. I don't know. I think they're cream flavored chips, like chocolate chips, but cream flavored. But they're really good. I guess you could also try putting the toppings that it comes with, stirring it in the cake mix, and microwaving it that way too. That might be good. I would definitely get this again. I got it at Walmart, but I would assume it's at any grocery store. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you really love this video, share with your friends. And comment down below your feedback or your thoughts on this product if you have ever tried it. And if you want to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified of when I post new videos, hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button, and have a lovely day or night. Bye.